So carry on with question 7. The volume of water collected from a tap in 5 minutes is 9.25 liters. What is the total volume of water collected from the tap in half an hour? So must recognize half an hour is 30 minutes. So 5 minutes can collect 9.25 liter. If I want 30 minutes, will be times 6. Right, 5 times 6 is 30. So here I times 6 also. I 55.5 liters. Total volume of water collected in half an hour will be 55.5 liters. Question 6. Question 8. In the figure, angle QOR is 37, angle QOS is 111, and angle POR is 90, right angle. Find angle POS, find this one. So look around here, if I can find this one, let's say step 1. If I can find angle POQ, can I find this one? Can, right? If I can find this angle is given by 360 degree, subtract 111, subtract this angle. So I find step 1, I find this angle first. Notice this angle plus 37 is 90, because this is 90 degree. So therefore, angle POQ, step 1, POQ is given by 90, subtract 37 at 53. So therefore, I use angle as a point. Angle POS is given by 360 degree, subtract 53, subtract 111. Use your calculator, I will hit 196 degree as my answer. Next question. In the diagram below, ABC is a trapezium. Once you see trapezium, mark out the characteristics. The pair, there's a pair of parallel side. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. So this pair is a pair of parallel line. B, C, D is an isosceles triangle. They mark out for you. Equal side, equal angle here. You have angle 78, 79, and 84 given. Find angle ABD, find this angle. So let's look around. So to find this angle, and notice this is a pair of parallel line. These two angles add up will give me 180 degree. Angles in a pair of parallel line add up will give you 180 degree. So if I can find this angle, my job is done, right? And then I can find this, right? 180 subtract 79, subtract this one. So before I can find this, I find this angle C first, step 1. Notice I use adjacent angles on the straight line. So angle BCD, step 1 equal 180 subtract 84. I have 96 here. Then I find angle CBD. Right, isosceles triangle, so this angle is given by 180 subtract 96 here, divided by 2. I have 42. This 42, 79. Now I can find this one. My final answer for angle B, part 3, step 3. Angle ABD is given by 180 subtract 79, subtract 42 here. Right, so I work out this is 42. I work out this is 96. I get 59 as my answer. Question 10. The figure below shows a rectangular tank measuring 45 cm by 12 cm by 33 cm. What is the most number of 4 cm cubes that could be completely put into the tank? So they want to put all these cubes inside. What is the maximum number? Notice one side is 4 cm. 4 cm. Okay, so I work out the length first. How many pieces I can put here? If you look at the reading, I can only put 11 pieces. Why? Because 4 times 11, I have 44 cm. Right? So I can only put the length I can occupy by 44. And how do I do that? I take 45 divide 4, number of cubes I can put in. You realize you have 11.25. So I can put 11 cube here only. The breadth, 12 divided by 4, I can put 3 cube here. Height, how many cube can I put? 3 divided by 4, 8.25. So I can put only up to 8 cube. Because 8 times 4 cm, I have 32 cm. I can occupy up to here. I still got 1 cm spare here. So maximum number of cube that I can put inside will be 11 cube 11 times 3 times 8 here. I have 1264 as my answer. Question 11. The tickets for a musical concert were sold to children and adults at different prices as shown in the table below. Adult $49.80, children is $28.60. For every child, there will be 3 adults. If total amount collected for the musical was $6,230, how many adults were present at the musical center? So you work by grouping. One group is 3 adults and 1 child. So what is the cost? Right, the cost for